Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add music to Facebook Messenger notes. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to open up Messenger on your mobile phone. The steps are gonna be similar on an iOS device and an Android phone. So just open up Messenger and then click on your note at the top left corner of the screen. Click on that, post a note, and then you have to click on the music symbol at the below of your profile icon. Just click on the music symbol and it will open up the music list, and now you can select any music from any song from here to add music to your Facebook Messenger notes. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.